November 14th, 2022. Is that the garbage truck? What time is it? Holy shit, I am so fucking late. How the hell did I miss my alarm clock?
No worries, mate. I thought you'd appreciate the extra time this morning wanking the stress off before facing your boss for being so late.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I warned you, mate. The more you keep resisting, the harder I'll keep fighting. You should be grateful I didn't give you a nasty wet dream after 2 weeks of your nonsense. I hate those things. Anyway, you can't ignore me, mate. I'm here for a good time, not a long time.